Hi. Hello. Hi guys. Ako first like ito binyo. Hello. JRMNTLN. What's up? Glass skin. Guys, look. Iniba ko yung skincare routine ko. Hi, Strawbaby. I love seeing you on my live. Kamusta? How are you guys? River. Guys, ako lang to. Guys, it's Waki. Baka wag kayong malito. Ako to. Si Waki to, hindi to si River. Don't look at my armpits din kasi di pa ako nung shave. But tonight, guys, we're gonna unbox mga pure packages ko from Wonderland. Excited na ako. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung nasa loob. And then, guys, mamaya, nakita ko kasi yung mga ibang nagla-live. Parang may option pala na pwede ka mag-game. Like I'm gonna draw and then hulaan nyo kung ba't ako iniwan. Hulaan nyo kung ano yung drawing. I wanna try it with you guys, so let's play. Anyway, ito yung PR package para sa Wonderland this weekend. Excited na ako. Daniel Caesar, si Hon. Ito yung mga lineup. Daniel Caesar, Dayglow, Hon, Paper Kites. Dami. Yeah guys, iba na din yung skincare routine ko. Feel ko ito yung pinaka-best na skincare routine ko. And gagawa ko ng video para alam nyo rin kung ano yung skincare if gusto nyong itry din. Pero, by the way guys, wala akong wifi ngayon. Actually, dapat kanina pa ako gusto mag-live. Pag wala akong wifi. Ayoko mag-live pag walang music. Inumin ko na kaya to. Okay guys, let's play. Di naman to alak, no? Yeah, di naman to alak. Okay. Ang cool ng PR package, oh, look. Ooh. Tapos, may sunscreen tickets. Ano ba to? Wonder Bob. Bakit hindi nag-notif yung live? Kaka-live ko lang guys. By the way, pasensya walang music. Kasi wala akong wifi ngayon. So I can't patugtog. Ooh, cute. Actually, ang pangit niya. Pero cute siya. Alam mo yung cute na pangit. Ooh, cute. Actually, ang pangit niya. Pero cute siya. Alam mo yung cute na pangit. Cute. Thank you, Wonderland. Excited na ako for this weekend. Your skin is glowing. Thank you. I kakatapos ko lang mag-skincare. Okay, guys. Can we play the game? Can we play ba? Because I wanna try this game. Okay, draw and guess. Okay. Ready na ba kayo? Ready na ba? Okay. Oop. Hala. Okay. Ba't hindi siya lumalabas? Ayan. Wait. Okay. Ayan. Okay. Clue? Gusto niyo ba ng clue? It's a fruit. Masyado itong madali eh. Post ko yung PR package bukas. Kasi nagsascroll lang ako sa TikTok kanina. Tapos nakita ko like may mga naglalaro ng game na to. I wanted to try it with you guys. Okay, yay. That's so easy eh. Grabe first si Ina. Wait, it feels so weird to live without music. Parang di ako sanay. Pero I don't know why. My Wi-Fi is not working. I paid naman eh. Yeah, it's orange, guys. Congrats. Can we do the next one, or do we have to wait for the timer kaya? Wait lang. Baka may naka-download dito na music. Meron. Oh, meron naman. Okay, I can play music pala. Ito yung favorite song ko lately. Alam niyo ba to? Ano premyo? My love. Sapat ba yung love ko? Hindi kasi sapat sa kanya eh. Okay, congrats guys. Next one. Then one. Okay, what's next? Okay, delete. Reveal. Ito na, ano na pala. Okay, next word. Gets ko na. Okay. This is so easy though. Sino kaya yung number 1 who will get this? Good luck, Lay! Good luck. This is so easy though. Sino kaya yung number 1 who will get this? Good luck, Lay! Good luck for what ba? My This is so easy though. Sino kaya yung number 1 who will get this? Good luck, Lay! Good luck for what ba? My exam ka ba? Mood, ayan. Yung first is user 11297 and Mary. Top 2. Okay, reveal. Next, Bilisan. This is gonna be super bilis. Okay. Vlog ba? Wala akong wifi eh. Ikaw, paano ko mag-drawing? This is fun. Yagi, I'm so aliw with this. Dapat may premyo, no? Dapat may premyo ako. What should my premyo be ba? Cause what do they know? We need each other to have to... Yeah, it's mountain, guys. Mountain. Denise, number 1! Yay! Denise, yung premyo mo is... Ano ba gusto mo, Denise? What you want your premyo to be ba? Ayuda! Kiss na lang. Kiss. Ayan, reveal. Ayan, reveal na natin. Okay, wait, change ko muna. Change. Okay, wait, change. Ayoko na ito eh. Ang hirap naman. Okay, ito. Medyo mahirap na to. Okay, yung word mismo is yung yung white. Pero I'm drawing things inside it lang para magigets nyo. Pero ito siya, this one is the one you should guess, yung white. Ang pangit nag-drawing. Ayan, may nakahula na. Okay, clue. It's a word that can be used to describe people din. And ang dami nito sa TikTok. Issue talaga ako, no? Yeah, may nakahula na. Yeah, plastic. I'm so lag! Tama na to. That was fun, guys. Gusto ko lang mag-try. Salamat kasi sumabay kayo sa trip ko. I love you. Delete. Exit. That was fun. Plastic yun. You guessed one word. Nice! Nice! That was fun. Oh, wait, ang init. I'm gonna turn on the aircon. Kakaano guys, kakatapos ko lang mag shower and skincare. Noah Bear! Come in! Come in! Let's go in. Noah, come in! Pasok, pasok! Pasok! Ayan. Have you eaten? No, I haven't eaten dinner pa. I don't think I'll eat dinner na. Kumain na ako ng lunch eh. More? You want more pa ba? Good muna ako kay Hero. Go lang, go lang. But anyway, I might I'm gonna end the live in a bit. I just wanted to try. Kamusta kayo? I have pasok tomorrow ng 8 AM. So, kailangan ko mag-sleep early. But I just wanted to say hi. Kamusta ba kayo? Na-try na ba ni Sai yung cricket? Hindi pa. Hindi pa kami nagkita. Wagi salamin ka ba? Bakit? Ayun na naman sila. Lumalandi na naman sila sa akin. Salamin ka ba? Bakit? Why ba? Saan mo nabalisando sa Orange app? Wala lang, as lang yun. Ikaw Justin Thank you! I just wanna clear yung mga dark spots ko. Alagang beauty vault, diba? Alagang beauty vault. Bawal talaga. Yago, favorite ko yan. Bawal talaga. Tapos gusto ko yung binaking niya yung sarili niya na nag-lip-sync siya. Imagine, kumakanta pa yung track. Tapos, she said, bawal talaga. Kumakanta pa rin yung track. Icon talaga si Fiang, as in. Gusto ko siya, I love Fiang. Bawal talaga. I love you, Dubs. Hi, Donald. What's up? Punta na ng Bacolod, Baki. I miss Bacolod. Alam niyo, I really like food from Bacolod. Like, inasal, ganun. Mwah! Thank you, Rob. Queen Fiangi. Fiangi ko. Fiangi ko! No, Bear. You're so cute. You're so cute. Did you listen to the whole Mayhem album? Yeah, pero hindi ko pa kabisado. Marky, I love you. I miss you. How are you, Ati? Kamusta? Nurse Jam, kamusta? Nurse Jam, when is your duty ba? Parang lagi ka na nanonood sa live ko. Hindi ka ba nagja-duty? Malapit na po birthday ko. Birthday greeting po dyan. Owen Ignacio. Happy birthday, bro. Thank you for always watching my live. I love you. Thank you, thank you. Happy birthday. Nine, I miss you, Nine. Maricar, I miss you. I love you too. Diba, ex ni Daddy Sai si Fiangi? Guys, thought ganisay si Fiang. Joke. Yeah. Thank you. No worries, Owen. Thank you din for always watching my live. I hope you have a good birthday. Mariah, I love you too. Keisha, I miss you too. I miss food from Bacolod. I miss the inasal from Bacolod, yung Kalea cakes, yung Bob's. Johan! Okay, wait lang guys ha. Hindi ko alam ba't nare-restrict pa rin yung mga ibang comments nyo. No, so big no, grabe ang laki niya. Super. Umay na ako sa song neto. Wait lang ha. I'm going to La Union in a few days, guys, by the way. I'm really excited. Thank you, Dan. Bakit naka-open yung filtered comments? Paano ko ba i-off? Ayusin ko muna, guys, kasi yung mga ibang comments nyo, hindi siya lumalabas. Pero ako, nakikita ko siya. Okay, wait lang. Comment settings. Filter ko. Okay, wait lang. Comment settings. Filter comments. Filter comments. Guys, I have to end the live muna. I have to get a delivery. Guys, I have a delivery downstairs. I have to get it muna. Baka I'll go to Cholo din mamaya. Live. You guys want me to live with Cholo? Actually, na-miss ko mag-live na may kasama ko. You know what? Ayain ko kaya mga Team Bardagulan mag-live. Live with Cholo? Actually, na-miss ko mag-live na may kasama ko. You know what? Ayain ko kaya mga Team Bardagulan mag-live. Ayain ko kaya mga Team Bardagulan mag-live. Kaya mga Team Bardagulan mag-live. Kaya mga Team Bardagulan mag-live. To them, 'cause what do they know? We need each other to have and to hold. Hell seems it'll be alright. Hold it tight. I will protect you all around you. So strong. Hi, I'm back. I got a delivery lang. Tonight's drink for the live is strawberry milk. Yum yum. By the way guys, mangganap ko pala in April. April 1, my live is selling ako with Gluta Lipo. And then April 5, may selling event ulit ng mga damit. Kasama ko sila Migo, Zoe, sila. We do. What time start ng event sa LU sa Fat Wave? I have ano dito. I have the program dito. You look tired? Totoo ba? Do I look tired? Really? I'm not tired naman. I just had a long day though kasi ang dami kong ginawa today. But di naman tired. Wait lang. Check ko nga. Having to know how seems high. Gagi, 11-11, no? Di pa ako and I was not on live. Sayang. Dapat sabay tayo nag 11-11, sayang. Anyway, opening program, 11:30 a.m. Aga, grabe. Mm. 11:30. Summer Club, Keen Tew. Yan. Super cute ko lagi, Waki. Lagi or lagi? Is that Bisaya ba? Or gapuli ka pa Iloilo? Kisa lang. Kung may time lang, kung wala ako school. Pero mapuli ko May 1 to 5. Kasi ma-celebrate ko sa birthday ko. Dara ako ma-celebrate. Early celebration. Ano ba dito sa cricket challenge nyo ni Sai? Guys, hindi pa kami nagkita ni Sai. Pero tuloy talaga yan. Tuloy yan. Why naputol ba ang live kanina? I had to get a package, guys. Delivery. May pinadala si Arian dito sa akin. Care package. OMG, okay kayo ni Sai? Kayo lang naman kasi yung gumagawa ng story na hindi kami okay. Okay naman talaga kami dati pa. Need maubos ni Sai ang cricket, Eve. Di ba payag yan? Napakinggan, what's to say? Napakinggan mo ba ng original You'll Be In My Heart? Of course, yung sa Tarzan. Pero I don't know, iba talaga yung kay Nikki. Parang binuhay niya ulit. Different type of vibe. I like it. Bad ko din yung bagong song ni Chapel Roan. Pero ang daming hindi may bet. Pero I like it. Kilua! Sayang! I didn't notice pala na nung in-end ko yung live 11-11 na. Sayang. Gusto ko mag 11-11, nagsabay tayo one time. Bawal talaga. You know, I love Fiang. Fiangi ko. Gawa-gawa kasi sila, naniwala ko tuloy. Okay lang yan, Chips Ahoy. Alam mo naman, ganyan talaga sa TikTok. Gia, did you guys see pala na nanalo si Gracie ng Breakthrough Artist of the Year, tapos si Billie Eilish yung nag-intro sa kanya. Grabe, that's my baby. Sikat na siya. She made it. Played Tibok by Earl Augustine. Hindi nakasave, wala akong wifi ngayon. Hindi nakakonect yung wifi ko dito sa laptop. Nakadata lang ako sa phone ko. Wait ka namin bukas sa 11-11 ni Kilua. G! Wala naman akong ata gagawin bukas ng gabi. So siguro I can live din. Dito tayo mag 11-11. Lahat tayo. Kuya Waki, may photo mo ako dito nung type kita. May photo mo ako dito nung type kita. I'm not your type na ba ngayon? What happened ba? Hindi mo na ako type? Damn. Justin, ha? What truly makes you happy? Loving people. Si River kasi. Ikaw talaga? What makes me happy? Ayan, I get really happy when alam ko like yung mga tao na nasa paligid ko, na-feel nila na mahal sila. I like making people happy. That's what makes me happy. Pwede pala mag-live sa PBB House. Kamusta, River? Okay lang. Guys, stop. Pag ako talaga naniwala, ang laki na ng ulo ko. Dadagdag pa kayo. I think if I could share something about my present. Alam ko na yung mga lines niya. Oh, I made nood pala kanina ng onto like 15 minutes sa sa I Want. But I stopped watching na. But yeah, I watched. It's cool. Like when I was watching them live sa I Want, like sa bahay ni Kuya, sabi ko, ito kaya yung nafe-feel ng mga viewers ko when they watch me on live na parang they know what I'm doing. it's cool actually. The joy and smile. Stop. Kinikilig ako ah. See you pala Kinsay siblings sa March 30. I'm so excited. Don! What's up, Don? I missed you. Ikaw talaga yung pinakamagandang questions, Don. I love you. Nakikita na ako sa'yo at kay River. Mas pogi yan si River. Is there a moment in your life you regret? You know, I don't regret anything in my life. Honestly, lahat ng pinagdaanan ko, lahat ng decisions ko, parang it's what made me who I am today. And feel ko hindi ako ganito if hindi ko naranasan ko. Tama ba? Tsaka I feel like dapat wala tayong regrets sa life, guys. Like if ever may regrets naman tayo, it shouldn't be na parang we wish we could go back in time. It should be parang, okay, at least alam ko na for the future. Diba? Kasi for me, guys, everything happens for a reason talaga. Minsan mali tayo, minsan gumagawa tayo ng mga hindi tama, and that's normal. That needs to happen din minsan para alam natin kung ano yung tama talaga, diba? Ang payat, Waki. Alam nyo guys, can I be honest, hindi ko talaga siya na-notice until ang dami na nagsabi na ang payat ko na. Pero never ko na feel like after gym or like habang tumatagalan na sa gym na ako palagi or nagda-diet na ako, never ko talaga na feel na ang payat ko na until people started saying it. And kayo din. What's the song in the background? You'll Be in My Heart by Nicki. It's been on repeat. It's my favorite song. It's so nice to see how humble you are. This beautifully and profoundly unfolding Waki. I love you, Jam. Alam mo, Jam, kahit nasa PBB house na ako, humble pa rin ako kasi alam ko ako na yung bakong crush ng bayan. Alam ko ang dami may gusto sa akin, ang dami ng edit sa akin. You know, like, ako na to sa River na to Sige na lang, like, at least humble, di ba? Yun yung importante na dapat humble. I love you guys. O, diba? Pumasok na sa utak ko And you glow like you're alright now. I love you, Stephanie. You know what? Everyone's saying that din. Kahit sila Gel and Hero, they keep saying na Waki, parang ang gaan ko daw lately. What's the song again? It's You'll Be in My Heart by Nicki. Pero yung original is sa Tarzan soundtrack. Like old song siya. Nasagot na ba ni Sai ang tawag mo nung last? Yeah! Nakatulog nga siya nun, guys. Morning na siya nag-reply. Your skin is glowing. Guys, I'm gonna post a skincare routine video kasi inaba ko yung skincare routine ko. Trial and error lang talaga siya. And like, grabe yung effect ng bagong skincare routine ko. Pati kay Bella. As in. So, I'm in my beauty guru era. Pwede na ako mag-content ng mga ganito, guys. So, this is what I use. And then you do 2 sprays. Ganun. Para hindi lang thirst trap. Mayong gabi, Waki. Good evening, guys. One percent na lang yung laptop ko. Wait lang, I'm gonna get my charger muna. Buti lang may naka-download sa laptop ko na songs. Kasi guys, wala akong wifi ngayon. I don't know why. Bayad naman yung wifi ko. Wait lang guys, nalubat na yung laptop ko. I gotta charge it muna. Kilala mo si John Deseo, Waki? That's one of my best friends. Magbarkada kami, si John Deseo. Grabe guys, follow nyo si John Deseo on TikTok. Kung bet niyo yung mga content na nag-i-interview ng mga artista. follow John Deseo. May kasama ka ba na Wacky? No. Just me. By the way, kung hindi nyo alam, life update, Gel and Hero moved out na rin a few weeks ago. May bago na silang place with Kiev. I was there last night actually. Nag-visit kami ni Bella and Ellie sa kanila. Ganda ng bagong place nila. First time ko dun. It was nice. Okay lang, walang internet basta I belong. Yes, I belong go. Si Kiev naman yung third wheel. Sim, di na ako yung third wheel. Shifting kami ni Kiev. Don't listen to them. I miss this. Sana po yata na naman sa summer. Oh, why are you biting me? Why are you biting me? Are you attending Wonderland? Yes, actually, kanina before I stopped the live, I was unboxing yung PR package na pinadala nila. Do you guys wanna see it? Ganda ng package. Sino ba pupunta ng Wonderland this weekend, guys? Day 2 lang ako, ah. Pero yung mga ibang friends ko, day 1 and 2 ata sila. Pero kami ni Ellie and Melan, day 2 lang kami. Kayo, you guys are going. Nice. Magkita tayo, ah. Magpo-post ako sa story kung saan kami magtatambay ng friends ko nung festival para at least you guys can meet us. I can meet you guys din. Ito yung pure package na pinadala nila. May ano din. May very cute na whatever this is. Mr. Wonderland. Then my shirt din, yung ticket ko din nandito. Yeah. Pero VIP, hindi ba kayo ano? Yeah, VIP. Pero if I'm in VIP, I can go to Gen Ad naman. So let me know, guys. Chat nyo ako sa mga pupunta ng Wonderland. Chat nyo ako para we can kita. We can see each other. Kailan ka pala pupunta ng Dubai, Wacky? I'm watching from Dubai, Jasny. April 12 to 19 ako. Wonderland is in Philinvest City Events Grounds, Alabang. March 22 and 23. Yeah. You can buy tickets online. Music festival siya, guys. International music festival. So, ang daming international artistas. Sila Zoe, day 1 lang ba sila? Sino big winner mo? Si Charlotte ba? Yung big winner ko si Esneer. Esneer ako, guys. Esneer. Sino ba yung big winner niyo? Wait, play tayo ng music. Sino ba big winner niyo? Si Ma'am Castro. Ako, si Precious. River pa rin. Sana mananalo ko, guys. Si Bogart. You're gonna miss out on Daniel Caesar. Oo nga, pero kasi nung 22, I'm gonna be in La Union. So, bala ito yung weekend plans ko, guys. Pupunta ako ng La Union. And then, pagbalik ko next day sa Manila, dediretso na ako sa Wonderland. Sino pinaka-close mo sa housemates? I mean, yung friends ko lang talaga dun is si Michael Sager and si Ralph. So, pero I would say mas ano kami ni Ralph siguro kasi nag-Boracay na kami ni Ralph, nag-Davao na rin kami yung magkasama sa Miss Universe. Co-host kami actually, mag-co-host kami. Si Michael, nung nag-start na siya mag-taping sa GMA, di na kami masyadong nagkikita. Hindi ka pupunta sa birthday ni Baba. I'm going din. Oo nga, you reminded me nga. Oo nga, so pagbalik ko ng LU, pagbalik ko ng Manila, dediretso muna ako sa birthday ni Babaw and then I'm gonna go to Wonderland. So, damn. Grabe. Daming ganap this weekend, guys. But I'm really excited to see, to see everyone again sa birthday ni Babaw. Magti-TikTok talaga ako with every single one. Kami Oh! Ano yan? Noah, bad ka. Bad ka. Bad! Magti-TikTok kami ni QD, ni Ate Jenny, ni Perla. I'm gonna make TikToks with all of them. I'm gonna bank on content na para may ma-post ako, diba? Parang pumayat ka, Wagibu. Thank you. Hindi na kasi Wagibu yung pangalan ko, si River Joseph na. What can you say about AZ? Ang dami niyang basher. Actually, hindi ko nga masyadong gets ba't siya binabash. Explain nyo nga sa akin ba't siya binabash. Bakit ba? Like, I don't get it fully. Actually, guys, yung mga alam ko lang sa PBB is yung mga nakikita ko lang sa account ni Lloydie. As in, yun lang. Okay, why is your skin so glowy? Bagong skincare eh. Pick me daw siya. Ito ba? Paano ba siya naging pick me? Someone else to see. You look different. In a good way or in a bad way? Sana in a good way. Do you think there's anything or anyone you'll never be able to let go of? I think in a good way. Thank you. Wait lang guys I don't know, hirap na question na yan. But shucks. Yan na naman sila. I love you guys. Choose one, sunscreen or retinol. Sunscreen always. Beauty Vault liquid sunscreen. Is AZ and AC the same person ba, guys? Are they the same person ba? AZ and AC, they're different, diba? They're not, yeah. To be honest, I don't really know what AZ looks like. But can I just say, parang it's kind of iconic na yung ex ni AC, yung jowa ni AC is yung ex ni Bianca, and they're both in PBB. And then, sino ulit yung connected din? Grabe, no? Crazy. Ungkata ng past. Pag binalik yung past, maggugulo ang present, bro. And Mika, yeah. Crazy. Grabe guys, sobrang like, I really into PBB lately. Even my friends, di ba last night, kunan ako kanina na we visited Galan Heroes new condo. I was with Bella and Ellie and nagsuscroll kami sa account ni Lloydie sa mga PBB posts. Grabe kasi it feels parang iba kasi yung feeling na you're watching these people na friends mo or nakikita mo sa work, sa events. Eh kasi diba, maliit lang kasi yung influencer world sa Manila. Eh lahat sila, I've met most of them na. So parang it's so cool to see kung paano sila sa bahay ni Kuya. Kasi kilala namin sila sa labas din. As in, sobrang fun talaga. Siyempre, ayoko na magsabi kung sino yung big winner ni Elise. Pero, alam niyo na yan. Para ako yung big winner ko si Esnir. Ayoko na magsalita. But I'm really excited to see what's gonna happen. Bakit wala pang Ba't wala pang elimination? Kailan ba siya? Live ba yung elimination? Live din, no? Guys, pag live yung elimination, magla-live din ako. And then, we should react to it together. Lloyd, chat mo ako kung kailan yung elimination na ikaw yung taga-update sa akin ng mga ganap sa PBB. O diba, binigyan pa ng trabaho. Nasa LU ba ako noon? Nung elimination? Kiliwa, good night, I love you. Magkapatid ba kayo ni Kim sa show na? Oh, I'm gonna be in LU nung elimination. Sayang naman. Sino kaya yung ma-eliminate? Okay Mm, for me, if I had to choose someone to eliminate kasi, siguro yung mga forgettable, like yung hindi masyadong ganap na ganap sa loob. I would say si Josh. Or sino ba yung medyo low-key? Na-meet niyo pa ba sa River? Oh, ilang beses na actually. Or si Will, no? Masyado silang quiet. Pero, wag si Michael. No, wag si Michael or si Ralph. I'm rooting for them din. Pero bago sa... Diba sa our mansion, may ano din sila, may ka-look-alike si Fiang dun. Ako yung... Wag na nga. Ako na yung ka-look-alike ni The River. Ako yung... Tapos kami ni... Ano name niya? Si Tiang? Oh, magla-love team kami. Feel ko si AZ. Feel ko they're not gonna eliminate AZ kasi diba may bago siyang plotline na yung XX. Eh syempre, sayang naman kung hindi ma-develop yung plotline na yan. So, they're gonna save her siguro next time pa. But yeah. Baka yung sabi kung hindi nanood sa'yo, parang pumayat ka. Thank you! But ayan. You know the script, Wagi. Everyone's fun for you. Dan, thank you, I love you! You look better before. I look better before ba? Really? Passing River is eliminated. Ay, oo nga kasi duo sila. Grabe it's giving All-Star Season 2. Duo sila. Shay, I miss you. Si Ashley may chance na ma-evict, no? Oo nga, si Ashley. Then I forgot she's there din. Nag-change na yung duo. Yeah, lakas din kasi ng fanbase ni AC. So feel ko hindi siya ma-eliminate. Tsaka ang ganda ng plot ng story niya na yung XX. Sana mag-away sila. Kasi that's fun to watch. But anyway guys, move on na tayo sa PBB. Masyado na tayong na-distract dito. PBB stat. First time ko kasi like super invested sa PBB. Ano plan mo sa birthday mo? Uwi kasi ako ng Iloilo May 1 to 5. And then, I'm gonna come back May 5 din mismo. Pero I won't celebrate sa birthday ko siguro mismo. Baka I'll do like a late celebration with my friends. Pero mag-early celebration kami ng fam ko sa Iloilo. Pero, hindi pa final but I'm planning like an event na lahat ng fandoms para sa birthday ko. Para we can all have one get together. Pero hindi, pinaplan ko pa siya kung paano. And like yung place. Kasi syempre, pag lahat ng fandoms invited, ang hirap mag-find ng lugar na kasya tayo. So, ayan. Waki, sumayaw ka ng drip. Hi Monty, I love you. Waki, what's your advice if we decide to grow apart or individual muna? Para may thoughts na baka magbalikan. Alam mo, okay lang talaga yan. It's okay kasi if my thoughts kayo lang magbalikan, pero you want to focus on yourselves muna and grow apart, grow individually, alam mo, sobrang mature yan. Kasi parang hindi madaling gawin, hindi madaling aminin na kailangan nyo muna mag-grow apart kahit mahal nyo isa't isa. Gets ba? Kasi like, it's gonna be so hard to separate yourself from someone you wanna be with. Pero minsan kasi guys, kailangan din ng break or pahinga muna or cool off. Lalo pa pag medyo naging toxic na kayo. I feel like it's really normal to take time apart from people you love if you want to get back together in the future. Kasi minsan guys, yung problema sa relationship is not the relationship mismo. It's like you guys, it's like you mismo as a person. Diba? Sometimes you have to take time to work on yourself din. Not only so you can be a better version of yourself for yourself, but so you can be a version of yourself para sa partner mo din. Diba? Kaya wala talagang shame if kailangan nyo muna magpahinga. Not talaga. You're so blooming, Wacky Boy. Are you in love? You know what? I'm in love with life and myself lately. Like, sobrang focus ako sa sarili ko. And ang sarap sa feeling na lahat ng ginagawa ko ngayon, it's for me and for my future, and it's things I want to do. Siguro it shows on the outside din. Kaya guys, if you take care of yourself, it's really going to show It's really going to show. So yeah. How did you spend your Valentine's secret? By Wacky, tulog na ako. Bye, Justin. Good night. Nice to see you again. Daya. 5K per ayuda. Drop muna ng 5K para sa ayuda, guys. May charge na kasi, guys, sa bagong live era ko, I'm gonna charge for ayuda na. Nagbembang ho! Di How's Cholo? Cholo's good. Cholo just recovered from a car crash. Di ka nag-audition for PBB? No. Hindi ko kasi bet yung PBB dati. Ngayon ko lang nabetan yung PBB. Parang chain effect. When you take care of yourself, it will reflect in everything. Totoo to. I'm gonna pin that, Ray. That's really, talaga. That's smart. Growing apart and growing individually the same. No, growing apart is like you're growing like this. Far away, like, you know, you're separating. But when you're growing individually, it's like hindi kayo magkasama pero nag-grow pa rin kayo. You know. Nakikita ko si John Deseo sa Blackpink Jisoo concert. Oo nga, na-invite si JD sa concert ni Jisoo. Imagine si Melon and JD and Kev, libre sila ng team ni Jisoo to watch her. Crazy. Good for them. I'm happy for them. Sana tuloy din yung project ko with Gracie Abrams, guys, na pupunta ko ng Singapore para I'll nood her concert. I'm praying. Please, Kuya Matt. Kuya Matt, please! Please, guys. Let's pray that ma-approve ako sa project ni Kuya Matt para pupunta ako ng Singapore. But yeah. By the way, guys, I'm gonna end ng 12, okay? May pasok pa kasi ako bukas. So, yeah. I've been loving him to pass the time. Good night, Tubbs! Approved yan, Omsim. Claim na natin na approved na ako. Good night, Tubbs. Love you too. Good night, everyone. Dami matutulog na ngayon. Go lang, guys. I'm happy na maaga na kayo natutulog. I made you guys puyat pa dati with all my 7 AM lives. Ngayon, yung latest na natin siguro 1 AM para we can all wake up early and be productive, diba? Or pwede ba, guys, nagla-live na ako ng mas early and mas ending earlier din. 7 AM pa class mo, grabe, tulog ka na. I'm actually, guys, I think I'm gonna end 11:45 na. Kailangan ko pa ayos dito before matulog, and I wanna wake up early tomorrow. Guys, I'll live din tomorrow. Don't worry, I'm gonna live din. How busy are you with school? Dati siguro, if tinanong mo ko dati, like 8 out of 10 yun. Pero ngayon, siguro mga 5 out of 10 or 4 out of 10 na lang. Di na masyadong busy. Work din, parang natapos ko na almost all ng backlogs ko. And wala akong project na lumagpas sa deadline. So dapat proud kayo sa akin. Productive na ako. I miss you, Monty. I miss you, Monty. I miss you guys all so much. My GPA last sem was like 2 point something. Yung nasa isip ko, guys, is basta pasado, okay na yan. Pag college talaga, basta pasado, okay na ako. Lalo pa sa UP, pag pasado na, thank you Lord. Okay na to. Okay na to. Yun din yung isa pang addiction ko, si Grace. Siya yung actually yung laman ng FB Reels ko, siya lang talaga. Sa FB, ayan, si Ma'am Grace. Sa TikTok is PBB. And then sa IG Reels naman, very American yung humor dun. Pero I'm happy na very Pinoy yung FYP ko sa Facebook Reels and TikTok. Para at least makarelate na ako sa mga sinasabi niyo. Diba? Diba dati, guys, hindi ko pa gets mga references niyo. Now, I'm very Filipino. I'm not sure I'm Tagalog, halata. Dami niyang time to scroll. Sumakses ka eh. Bigla kang sumakses. Rate mo yung tugtog ng Like Jenny. Like Jenny, I rate that 8 out of 10. It's a good song. Step by step pala, ni-imagine mo, wow, ang ganda pala ang langit kasi sumakses ka. Makikita mo si Jesus. Si Veronica active din lately. Who's Veronica? I'm glowing today. Thank you. Skincare routine ko. Binasa niya. Yung ano ba? Bawal talaga. Favorite ko yan! Favorite ko talaga yan. Yung bawal talaga. Oh, si Kitty! No bad words here. Tatay Digong or PBBM? That's a great question. Si Fiang. Sabi ko, I'm about to say Fiang, naunahan ako eh. Naunahan ako ni Monty. Wala pa tayong winner tonight. Kunyari nag-isip, Sim. Si Fiang, syempre. Si Fiang. Sabihin nyo kung saan siya dalahin. Tangina ka. Bawal talaga. Okay, you know what? Ang dami kong mga sayings na I need to like stop. Okay, mag-add na lang ako ng 12 ga. Ako sa Team Jarfiang. Anong weight mo, boss? Yung weight ko ngayon, I think 70 na. Nung nag-start ako mag-live, guys, 80 ako nun. I was 80 nun. And then, yeah, I'm 71 na or 70. I only weigh myself once a month, guys. Kasi, if I weigh myself every week, tapos hindi ko makikita yung effect, parang mawawalaan ako ng gana. So sabi ko, every month lang ako mag-check ng weight. So nung last month, chinek ko hindi naman last month, siguro mga 2 or 3 weeks ago, 71 ako noon. So siguro mga 70 na. Martinez era, share pics. Kasi nga, I'll send in my discussion channel nga. Pero my thinnest era was 63, 62. Ang payat ko, like sobrang, wala ako talagang fat sa katawan ko. I had a V-line. May V pa ako sa dito. Very twink. And then, pandemic yun eh. Kasi wala akong Wala akong gagawin. Siyempre, pandemic, walang gagawin. So, I was just working out. Very twink. Very twinkish ako noon. Like, as in, actually, ang payat ko. Noon, like, and then my face was like, actually, looking back, I don't like how I looked. Feel ko masyadong payat na. But yung goal ko actually is 70, pero toned. So, magto-tone pa ako, then papayat pa. Crush mo pala si Charlotte eh. Type ko si Charlotte, yung Englishera, Social, Canada. Charlotte, ikaw yung big winner ko. May big winner din dito nag-aantay sa'yo. Feel nyo ba, basta ako, ito Big Four. Big Four Esnir, Brent. Of course, si Esnir and Brent. Matik na yan, syempre. Esnir and Brent. And then River, and I want to say, sa girls, wala pang masyadong stand out sa girls eh. It's too early to tell, pero yung isa sa Big Four, dapat may girl talaga. So, abagan natin kung sino. Oh, lopat na yung light ko. That means it's time to end. Mika for sure. Feel niyo ba si Mika? Yeah, pwede din. Hindi ba not si Charlie? Si Klang din, no? Funny din si Klang. Kira. Wow, daming Kira supporters dito. Ako parang mas bet ko si Mika. Patingin ng big winner before. Drop muna ng 50k. Nagpa-slim ka po. Yes! Nagda-diet mo ng gym. Pero yeah, sa boys, feel ko Esnir, Brent, and River na yan. Kasi syempre sila din yung fan favorites. And, di ba pag sa PBB, voting yun? And pag malakas yung supporters mo, mananalo ka talaga. Si Fiangi po rin. Awesome. No one can beat Fiangi ko. Wait, topping ko. Anyway, guys, it's time to end the live. Play Fiangi's cover. Actually, yun yung gusto kong gawin kanina pa. Wala kasing internet yung laptop ko. Lobot na talaga yung light ko. Yeah, free throw. Wait lang. Charge ko muna yung laptop. Rest na ikaw. Yeah, I'm gonna end at 12, guys. 8 minutes left. Enjoy natin yung last 8 minutes tonight. Ano ba? Do you guys wanna ask questions? Do you want to, Baka you guys have kwento. Kwento lang kayo dyan. Trina, I miss you too. Lip care ko. Kiss mo. Lip care ko, kiss mo. Ito. Vaseline lip mask. Yung big winner ko. Oh, yung big winner ko. Nag-crush mo ba ako? Trina, mahal kita. Vaseline lip mask. Moisturizer reveal. Sure. Actually, local lang yung ginagamit. Actually, guys, yung skincare ko, halos lahat local. Support local tayo. And ang daming magandang mura na local skincare na gumagana talaga. Ito, Cyposkin. Yung friend ko actually yung may-ari dito. Cyposkin. And binili ko talaga to. Hindi to sponsored As in, and yung retinol ko din galing sa Cyposkin. But they sell this at TikTok shop. I think it's like 300 lang. Really good, as in. Really good. And then yung serums ko, local din. Good Molecules. Ito. Dalawa yung ginagamit ko. So, toner muna. Wait lang. So first, ito skincare routine ko. First step, nagda-double cleanse ako. 2 cleanser every day sa Latek. And then, toner ito, pinapahid ko siya with yung cotton pad. And then, Mandelic Acid Serum, Good Molecules. Local brand lang to, less than 1K. Then, ayan. And then, after that, I add this Vitamin C Serum. And then, Cyposkin Moisturizer. And then I spray my skin with this Skin Foam. Skin Foam Hydrating and Brightening Mist. Yun lang. And then if I have like tigyawat, I use the Oxycure Spot Corrector. For the Oxycure with my sister, so yung replacement ko is the Celatec Acne Spot Corrector. That's all. Gawin body good. Okay, gagawin namin. Yeah, gagawin namin. Okay, gagawin namin. Remind nyo nga ako bukas Gawin namin sa LU or sa Wonderland din. Okay, influencer? Of course. I'm your favorite influencer, guys. I know that. Yeah, I'll do it. Gagawin namin. You fucking colonizer. He was God's man showing you the liar. Excited na rin ako to let's side try the crickets, guys. As in, alam ko talaga na kailangan ko pa siyang pilitin, pero kaya yan. Iba-vlog ko talaga. LU kayo bukas, Friday pa, Saturday pa alis na. Ano? Yes. Friday night alis namin. Have you ever been to Thailand? Yes, I have. Once lang. With my family. 2015 ata yun. Are you locked in? Step this way. Step this way. See you sa LUZ. Yeah, see you. I'm gonna stay at Fat Wave. But about tayo ni Here's a Fave? No, JB. Joke lang. Of course! Hi, Maui. I love you. Tavern! You listen to Paramore. I love Paramore. I love the After Laughter album. Dad, thank you. I love you. The Giver by Chapel. Sige, after this song. Cute. I miss you! Nandito sila. Nandito si RJ. Nandito si Den. Nandito si JB. Si Maui. Si Kay! My favorites. I think we're meant to be. Stephanie tayo na. Daniel din! I love, you know what? I love seeing you guys talaga sa live. Okay, will you marry me? How many carats muna? I need to see the ring muna. Dapat malaki yung stone. Still love Gracie. Married, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. And si Lloydie din nandito. Wait, out of context, where did you buy the tapestry behind you? I bought this from... It's either from Orange App or Shein. Kasi guys, actually, sobrang underrated yung Shein sa mga decor, home decor. Nag-comment si JB dito, pero naka-hide Wait lang, hindi na-approve yung mga comments niya sa mga mods. Ayan, in-approve ko na lahat. Pero sabi ni JB ito, mga inggitera. Favorite song in After Laughter? Ooh, Hard Times, Rose Colored Boy. Yun yung top 2 ko. Feet reveal crush. Feet reveal. Drop muna ng 1 million. Thank you, Defo, not Andy. Thank you. I love rose-colored boy. That's a really good enough. What's your haircut, Wacky? I don't know eh. I just told my barber to keep my haircut pero mas manipis na hindi masyadong makapal. I don't know what you call it eh. Tsaka hindi siya nakaayos ngayon. Tanungin ko nga. Kasi ang dami nagtatanong kung ano ba yung tawag ng haircut ko. Tanungin ko next time pagbalik ko sa barber school pa UP Diliman. Parang glass skin ka. Thank you. Bye, Wacky Mag-sorry. Daniel, I miss you. Nice seeing you ah. I love you. Ingat dyan. Nagbakal kami. Uy! You're moving to Altacheria. That's where Waterworld Iloilo is. Archer, I love you. You're here. Si Colette Bayo si Sabini. Yes, I love Colette. Yeah, thanks, Dad. Thank you. Iniiwan mo daw si Sai. Totoo ba? Sino nagsabi? Favorite song and sour. Favorite crime. Favorite crime. Yeah, I think favorite crime. That's my favorite. Tatanggihan ang alok kung hindi ikaw si... What's that ba? What does that mean? Enough for you, then that's good. Tatanggihan ang alok. What does that mean ba? Tatanggihan ang alok. What's alok? Favorite from Alessi? Ooh, that's a good question. I Know You Know and Eat Me Alive. Refuse the offer. What offer did I refuse ba? Did you listen to Baby Monster? Hindi, haven't pa. K-pop ba yan? I miss you, Anita. Song yan. Best favorite sa Ruby album. Ooh. I like Handlebars. Yeah. Yung least favorite ko actually is Mantra. Mas bet ko yung mga everything else. Masyado kasi K-pop yung Mantra eh. Pero I really like her, with her song with that R&B song na may feature, is it, sino ulit yun? Guys, sino ulit yun? Sino ulit yun yung, is it Chance the Rapper or Childish Gambino? That's a good one. I also like Jenny, the one with Doechii. May isa pa siya that I really like. The one with Childish Gambino. What's that one? That's such a good one. That's a good one. I like that one. 999 in my orbit means a letting go of things that no longer served you. Or in Popular Live. Nice. Thank you. Thank you everyone. I love you all. Oy, 12 na! Are you friends with River Joseph from PBB? Ano, friend ko, sarili ko? We're not friends, but we've met before, so we're... Guys, we gotta end the live. Gotta end the live, I'm so sorry. Thank you to my gifters. Let's thank the gifters muna. Den, Tubbs, Johan, Kulis, AJ, Gia, Arcel, Maricart, Kate, Cha, Isa, everyone who gave me a gift. Thank you guys so much. Salamat sa pagdaan. Salamat sa time na binibigay niyo sa akin every day. I love you so much. See you guys tomorrow. Okay? Have a good night. May pasok pa kasi ako bukas. So, weekend po yan tonight. And alam ko din kasi may mga pasok din kayo. So, dapat tutulog na tayo ng maaga. Okay? Tulog na rin kayo. I love you guys so much. See you tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed this super quick live lang. Chill live lang. I love you guys. See you. Also guys, I can't live on Saturday night because I'm gonna be in LU. So I'm gonna live tomorrow. And then Sunday na, and then I'm gonna live on Sunday though sa birthday ni Baobao. G, di muna ako mag-live ng Saturday kasi I'm gonna be drunk in LU, guys. Sasabihin ko na, malalasing kami ni Ellie and ni Melan sa LU. And then, pagising ko, dediretso ako sa birthday ni Baobao, doon ako mag-live ulit. Okay? I love you. Bye. Kiss muna before I go to bed. Kiss. I love you. Thank you, mods. Thank you, Dan. I love you guys.